Saksakallan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarvindam.
That Narayan Rishi, who is a partial expansion of Krishna, has now appeared in the dynasties of Yadu and Kuru in the forms of Krishna and Arjun respectively to mitigate the burden of the world. Narayan is the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and Nar is a part of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Narayan. Thus the energy and the energetic together are the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Maitreya informed Vidur that Nar, the portion of Narayan, had appeared in the family of the Kurus, and that Narayan, the plenary expansion of Krishna, had come as Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, with the purpose of delivering suffering humanity from the pangs of material burdens. In other words, Narayan Rishi was now present in the world in the forms of Krishnan and Arjun.